A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. This year, Jamaica has celebrated 60-year independence from Britain. And we have a theme to celebrate. The theme say, reigniting a nation for greatness. But what it really mean to be great? Why you think about it? And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this video with all of your friends. And if you not click the subscribe button yet, nobody wait. Click it now and go and click the notification bell too to make sure so you no miss none of what I go on. Right, yeah, so. Today, I'm going to read from the good news about Jesus as according to Mark chapter 9 from verse 33 to verse 37. After Jesus and him follower them reach a Capernaum and go in at the house, him ask them say, what did that talk about when you did that walk? But they never say nothing. Because them did argue about which one of them are going to get the top position in the group. After Jesus sit down, him call him 12 follower them and say, if none of you want the top position, you fi settle for last place and serve everybody. Then, him take one little picnic and make him turn up amongst them. Him hug up the picnic and said to them, say, anybody will take in one of them little picnic, cause him believe in me, take me in too. And anybody will take me in, and not just me them a take in, them a take in the one will send me to. A God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.